Hello everyone. Today we will discuss pure capacitive circuit. Consider a capacitor of pure capacitance C connected across alternating voltage supply V is equal to Vm sin omega t. When AC supply is given to a capacitor, the alternating current I will flow through the circuits and this current will charge the plates of the capacitor. Let us consider Q coulombs be the charge collected on the capacitor. The current I which flows through the circuit is given by I is equal to dq by dt, or we can write this is equal to d by dt of C into V. We'll substitute for the instantaneous voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. C into Vm d by dt of sin omega t. Now we will differentiate sin omega t, which will get it as cos omega t into omega. The same equation can be rewritten as Vm divided by 1 by omega c into cos omega t, which is equal to I. This is written as I is equal to Vm divided by xc, and cos omega t can be written as sin omega t plus pi by 2. This entire term equivalent to maximum value of current, so I can write I is equal to Im sin of omega t plus pi by 2, where Im is equal to Vm divided by Xc, and Xc is nothing but the capacitive reactance, which is equal to 1 by omega c. Now compare the equation for current and the voltage, and what we'll get here, we have omega t term for voltage. Here we have plus pi by 2, which means that if I am taking voltage as the reference, the current leads the voltage by 90 degree. Whereas for inductive circuit we got the lagging current, and for the capacitive circuit we are getting the leading current. Once voltage and current equations are obtained, we'll derive the equation for the instantaneous power, which is equal to V into I. Now substitute V is Vm sin omega t and I is Im sin of omega t plus pi by 2. We'll simplify this. This is equal to Vm Im sin omega t, and this term is nothing but cos omega t. We can simplify these two terms further, which is equal to sin 2 omega t whole divided by 2. This is with the formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Proof. Now, what this indicates, the instantaneous power is function of cos 2 omega t, which is a time varying term whose average value over a period is 0. So it indicates a pure capacitor does not consume any power. Whatever energy is given to the capacitor, it will store in the form of electrostatic field. Now we'll plot the waveform for the variation of voltage, current and power. Here I'll take 2 cycles of voltage. Now since current leads, this is 90 degree, this is pi, this is 2 pi, 3 pi and 4 pi. Since current leads, when voltage starts, current will already reach the maximum. So waveform will be like this. So it is already started from here. It reached the maximum. When this becomes 0, it will enter negative maximum. It's a current waveform. To plot the power waveform is having double the frequency of the supply voltage. So both are positive here. We'll get the waveform here. Question. A 318 microfarad capacitor is connected across a 230 volt 50 Hz supply. Calculate capacitor reactance, RMS current, equations for voltage and current. So first we'll write down the given parameter. It is a pure capacitive circuit which is connected across AC voltage. Its value C is given 318 microfarad. Supply voltage is given. So we'll make use of the relation V is equal to I into XC. So first we'll find out the current. To find out current, we need the reactance. From C value, you can calculate XC is 1 by 2 pi FC. So we substitute here 1 by 2 pi. F is given 50 Hertz. C value is 318 microfarad. When you calculate, you will get it as 10 ohm. Now once reactance is known, we can find out the current using the relation I is equal to V by XC. V is 230 volt, XC is 10, so we'll get 23 amps. So we got capacitive reactance and the RMS value of current. Now we need equation for voltage and current. Voltage equation as usual, V is equal to Vm sine omega t. So first find out Vm. So Vm is nothing but root 2 times RMS value V, that is sine omega t. Now substitute here root 2 times 230 into sine of omega value is 2 pi f into t. When you simplify this, you'll get 325 sine of 314 t for the instantaneous voltage. Now current value is given by Im sine of omega t plus pi by 2. It's a capacitive circuit. Currently is the voltage is equal to root 2 into I sine of omega t plus pi by 2. Now substitute the value of I. I is equal to 23 amps sine of omega t is 314 t plus pi by 2. So root 2 I is 32.5 sine of 314 t plus pi by 2.